monitors, pressures, temperature gauges.
So are you ready for a new engineer? Hello, Amy.
Hello, I feel like Homer Simpson.
Whatever you do, do not press
like
that button. Don't press that.
Touch it.
This has got the full power.
Full power.
This is epic. There's so many buttons you shouldn't touch. Look, there's one.
This is the switch.
There's loads.
All the electrical distribution.
I'm in charge.
The main switchboard.
Okay, there seems to be lots of buttons we shouldn't press. Which is the worst button that we shouldn't press? There seems to be one with a plastic
The
switch
button,
over here.
If you press, then it will be a total blackout.
Wow, okay, so whatever you do, don't press that one, Amy.
Really, really now.
I know, it's one of those things, isn't it? This is quite a funky display, isn't it? Look at this. What is this? What does this
These
say?
are all the level of the tanks. There's a lot of displays there, where we are getting to know the parameter of the engine, tank levels, how much the electricity generated.
This is epic. And dials. Who doesn't love dials? Pressures and stuff like that, look. This is cool.
Yeah.
Are you sure this isn't a nuclear submarine? I think it might be. What are you trying to hide here?
There we go.